Hey everyone, I want to share with you a little haul. Well, unboxing is more like it. So this is what I'll be playing with for the month of July. So I'll be creating two layouts using what I'm going to show you, and maybe I'll pull a couple of things also, so we'll see. So I'm going to work, this is again a little bit different from my usual style, but very, very pretty. And I don't think I've ever used Kaiserkraft paper or products. Anyway, this is from their Misty Mountains collection, and this is the it comes in like a pack of papers. So this includes 6 pattern 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 2 sheets of each design, which I'm happy because then I don't have to choose. So let's look at the papers first. This one is called Moody and has these pretty, very dramatic flowers on one side, and then this nice dark blue pattern. This is called, okay, I'll try to, as usual, my desk is a huge mess. This is called Marbled, and so this is the A side. It's a marble pattern, and then this is the B side. I really like this side. Now, I want to say that these papers, in case you're not familiar, they are more lightweight than usual pattern paper that I'm used to. So, you know, you can go heavier on the layers and it won't get like too bulky. This is probably one of my favorite papers in the collection. This is called Bouquet. I'll probably use this as a background. And the other side is also really pretty. So I have two, so I can use actually both of them for backgrounds because I have two. I do like that there is purple in this collection because purple is, you know, it's not a huge color in scrapbooking. This one is called Dusty Plum, and this is gorgeous, gorgeous floral paper, and then this side has like these polka dots. Really, really beautiful, very kind of romantic collection, I would say. Yeah, quite different, but you know, I embrace it because sometimes I feel like, you know, the I don't know, like the American crafts collections, they tend to be a little bit samey sometimes, so it's nice to get a bit of variety. This paper is called Light Leaks, and it's also really pretty. It has like this distressed vibe to it. And how gorgeous is this? This is like super romantic to me. I don't know, I don't think I'll do, you know, I could like scrapbook some wedding photos if I wanted, but I'm kind of in the... My thinking is that I can use whichever products I like in whichever way I want to use them. So if I mostly scrapbook daily photos, I'm gonna do that with whichever papers and collections that I have. But obviously, you know, this would be like beautiful for a wedding photo. This is called Eclipse. Did I say how this is called? This paper is called Light Leaks. I think I said that. So this is one side, and then this is the other side of this paper. This is called Eclipse, and I really like this size. It's very, yeah, just so much texture. I really like it. And then the other side has kind of this distress and this pattern. Really nice color scheme. I really like it, it's interesting. And then this is really cool. This is a sticker sheet, and what I like about it is these, like this piece is just gorgeous. It's like a border piece, but I use similar things in my art journals like all the time. So you can see it's already cut. Really, really beautiful. Looking forward to using it. And then there are a few more of these stickers. It kind of reminds me of Sassafras and their sticker sheets. I kind of wish more companies did that. I don't know, just gave us those 12 by 12 sheets of really fun border stickers and just like more interesting images. I don't know. Yeah, so there are like leaves here also, and some more flowers and different borders, and then a bunch of like sayings. Really, really cute. So these are the papers. That's what comes in this pack. Then I also have the ephemera, which has a ton of stuff. And I'm mostly excited about the flowers, of course. So you can get, I can open it to give you an idea. There's a ton here. So I'll bring a little container. These are fantastic. I use these all the time. These are from IKEA, and they are called, what are these called, in case you're interested? I have no idea. Don't you have a name? I'll show you the code. Hopefully that is everywhere the same code, so you can see. I really like these for embellishments and stuff. So these are my favorite pieces, of course. All the gorgeous flowers. There are butterflies. There are all kinds of like hexagons, tons of like flowers, even like tiny. Oh, these are with the ampersand flowers and some leaves. Really, really cute stuff. So lots of embellishments, and I'll put it aside for now. And besides that, I have a couple of things from the Pink Paisley Auburn Lane collection. So these are the wood veneers, and they're like frames that are colored. And I think the colors will work well with this because there's the pink and that kind of, I don't know, like a berry color, somewhere between pink and purple, I would say. So these are really, really cute. And then I have these alphas, which I love. So these are called Happy Life, and there are 494 letters. So one side is more of like a coppery color with dark blue foam, I want to say. And then the other side has white foam, and it's just like a gold. And yeah, it's small alpha, super, super cute. And then a couple of other things that, well, you know me. I'm so excited. Okay, I don't know which one just to show you first because they're so pretty. So these are not like completely new, but how gorgeous are these? This is from Dear Lizzy Stargazer collection. I think this is the one before the last one she came out with. And I just love these, and I thought the colors would also work well with this with this color scheme of this collection, because this also has some blues, and yeah, I just love these. They're so cute. And I don't know what should I show you. It's all so good. So this is these are layered stickers. I think this is from her Stay Colorful collection. I think it's from the new one. So there's a really cute unicorn, butterfly, layered flower, this thing, the weird mermaid cat thing. I'm not on board with this freakish mutant image. I think I will just maybe use the cat because this is all wrong. And then there's Always Groovy, Stay Colorful. So cute, and they look really nicely made. You know, sometimes these things look very cheap, but these have a really nice finish to them. They look very, very pretty. This is from Pink Paisley Wild Child. How cute are these? I also got this. I thought it would coordinate because it has some pops of purple. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm so in love. This collection, the Wild Child collection, is fantastic. I didn't get anything from it because I just have so many supplies, and I just don't scrap enough to use so many things. But now I had the chance to grab these, and oh my gosh, the papers in this collection are fantastic. They have this groovy vibe to them, and they're like sticker sheets and rub-ons, and it's such a fun collection. I don't know, I think some of it is like sold out already, but I love it. So this is what I'll be playing with. I'll be making 2 layouts using these products. So thank you for watching. Make sure you check Pink and Paper. They are in Europe. They're in Slovenia. Flora, the owner, is fantastic, and they ship worldwide. If you're in Europe, you know, it's really fun to get your stuff like within a couple of days. She sent these to me yesterday and now they are here, and she actually lives like 2.5 hours away from me, and yeah, I should probably, you know, drive there and fondle all the pretty products. So make sure you check that. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.